Let's start with MFR. This is the flow designation given by the resin manufacturer. Check your resin datasheet to see MFR near the top of the specifications list. In this datasheet, you see that MFR is 12 grams per 10 minutes. Yes, these are strange units. Hang in there for a little while and all will be explained, I promise. So what is used to test material flow? Flow is tested using a device called a rheometer. Basically, it's a fancy plunger that drills material. This fancy plunger is set up using specific controls for temperature, the material sample weight, the force on the plunger, and the orifice opening size. Do you remember the strange units that we talked about? Grams per 10 minutes? Well, that's the amount of material that squeezes through the plunger device in 10 minutes. The weight of the material squeezed through the device in 10 minutes gives you the units grams per 10 minutes. Where is the testing done? MFR testing is usually done at the material or the resin manufacturing facility. Here's what happens. Virgin material is tested using the rheometer, which is the flow tester. It's usual to take 3 or more samples and use the average. The MFR is then added to the material spec sheet. Each new batch of material that gets prepared for shipment has to have its MFR tested and confirmed. Why? Well, it's critical to the molded part quality, and the material flow properties need to be consistent from batch to batch. Sometimes the vendor even checks the incoming material just to be absolutely sure. Okay, so what have we learned here? We've learned that MFR is melt flow rate. There's a special device and standards for testing the flow, and testing usually occurs at the material manufacturer's site. Thank you, and bye for now.